Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on light mode in our Samsung Galaxy S22. To change our visual mode or visual theme, we have to go to Settings, then in Display menu we have two options at the top. Right now, as you can see, our phone is in dark mode. To switch it, just simply tap the light, and now, as you can see, our phone is in light mode. Just single tap, no need to save, and this is our default mode. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.